Indaba-ke ezibuhlungu ayipheli. Laphayana-ke on social media-ke kuyavela-ke ukuthi-ke Bafana Bafana and Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Jaden Adams has sadly passed away. So kwamanje-ke bengakaveli-ke kahle kahle ukuthi kwenzakaleni, as we continue to wait ukuzwa-ke from the family of the player. Kodwa-ke ama-publications akhona-ke la eMzansi amaningi asevezile ukuthi ngempela-ke lo mdlali seshile-ke la emhlabeni. Adams played for iBafana Bafana-ke laphayana kwi-FIFA World Cup. I think he played laphayana-ke in the opening game against Mexico. So this is very sad news, you know, not only for his family, also for South African football. You know, us as football lovers, besimthanda kakhulu-ke lo mdlali. So to his family, you know, and also the football fraternity, I am sending my condolences. I am lost of words because-ke ayikholwakali-ke lento eyenzakalile, but-ke umfana-ke alale ngakho ukuphumula.